A lot of people that you see in today's video shouldn't even be driving cars. If you're new to my videos, I need to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Imagine you just come to your front yard just to see this. Whoa, roll back!
God damn it. Whoa.
Second rollover. What up, man? I have glass in my mouth.
No way.
Yeah, if this is the second time, you clearly should stop driving.
Woo! Hey, buddy! Yes, sir! Come on, let's crack one together. Woo!
Definitely. Is it your wish to make trouble?
No.
Seems like it is.
That new Tesla cup, that thing's pretty sweet, huh?
Has nothing to do with you drinking and driving.
I'm gonna pop a mint real quick.
Turn the truck off, please. Why would you do that?
Do you know Balin Levine?
Yeah. No, so please.
He told me to quit vaping, so I picked up a new hobby.
Registration, please.
He told me to just pick up, you know.
What are you doing? Pour it out.
Yeah, was this really worth the views and likes?
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
And just like that, you don't got a GTR no more.
What?
बस
Yeah, somebody please take this guy's license away. This is the definition of I'ma force it in.
Rocking around Christmas tree and honey hop, where you can see rocking around.
Oh, no.
It's a not too happy Christmas anymore.
Oaks, my car broke. My car broke down. Oaks, my car broke down. Look.
As if kicking the floor cliff would have done anything.
Stupid. Why would people even come down here? Thick cunts. Stupid thick cunts.
Winter tires, non-existent. Money cannot buy skill indeed. Only in New York.
Huh? What happened? What happened?
Look!
Oh, shit. My fault.
You tell me it was a joke.
Nah, it's my little sister.
You're serious?
Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot.
You're actually serious?
I forgot.
Park the car.
Huh? It's parked.
Is it actually like something? Is your sister actually in
Huh?
the thing?
Yeah, I forgot. It was a mistake.
Nah, hold up. You can't leave right now.
Why?
You can't leave.
Why?
You can't leave. I need to call someone. I need to know if that child's gonna be okay.
The child's gonna be okay.
No, don't leave.
She's gonna be okay.
Boss, please don't do this to yourself.
This prank is wild.
Oh my god, he just knocked him out. Oh my god, he just knocked him out. Oh, no, I'm scared. Guys, no, his shoe fell off. Oh, oh my god! What the fuck? Guys, what the fuck? Guys, he just tried to kill him! Oh my god, he just tried to kill him. Oh my god, he just tried to kill him. Guys, he literally just tried to kill him.
The absolute worst part of this video is the woman screaming.
Go on, do it. I bet you'd enjoy it. Me.
That's what you get for thinking you can hold a parking spot. Like, how do you even do something like this?
Fuck no! You almost hit all of us! It's okay, stay right here. Good.
Get out of here.
Excuse me?
You have a good day.
Yeah, you too. On the way. Fuck no.
There's so much happening in this video, I can't even process it all.
I got you.
If there was a police down the road, he would have been cooked. People like this make me believe they're actual NPCs in the world. These guys right here are the reasons why every single time you go to a car show, it gets shut down. Prestige master biker right here.
El pleito del huevo y la piedra. ¿Quién ganará aquí? El huevo y la piedra en el pleito. ¿Quién ganará? Por un idiota Toyota tajado. Qué maldito bobo. Qué lío. Idiota. Se respeta las autoridades.
It's like a lot of people just look for trouble.
Tire fell off up there.
Okay, can I get the license? I think I got it. Fucking idiot.
I just.
Sorry guys, I'm just looking at video.
It wasn't an SUV.
Sorry, I'm looking at video.
The car's up on 108. I already told the police. 108 Beaumaris Road is pulled over on the side. He ran into Beaumaris ravine. I couldn't catch it up again, but I followed the vehicle. After I heard this, I'm over on the corner there.
I know who definitely doesn't got insurance. He's definitely trying to take people to heaven with him. I don't think he's okay. I mean, that's one way to get the cops off of you. This gotta be extreme road rage. You didn't even react to what's going on. All that just to pass one person? Was it really worth it?
Because this is a one-way street.
I don't have a stop sign because it's a one-way street. What are you talking about?
POV. Goof dude blew through the intersection going the wrong way.
Look at my car.
Get my car.
Where's your insurance info?
Where's your insurance info? Can we get? I need all your stuff too as well. I need all your stuff.
That's
Can I get all your
fine.
stuff?
That's fine. You can get all my stuff.
Can I get all your stuff?
Yeah, I need yours first though, cause you at fault.
No, you're at fault. Can I get all your
This is a one way.
All my information is right here.
You
Can
just
I get-
came through that
Can I get all
way.
your
You just
information?
came
Can I
that
get
way,
all your
right?
information?
Hell no, call the police, nigga. You got me fucked up now, cause I was being nice. You got me fucked up now. I was being nice. You bitch.
People like this is why young black dudes get such a bad rep. It's safe to say you will not be getting your car back. He just wanted some tacos. Why you mad?
Hey! Get your hands off of her! Get the f away from me! I have my daughter! You get the f away from me! Back the f off of my daughter! Right now! Get in the f***ing car! Get in the f***ing car! You're on camera, bro. I'll take this to the cops. Don't keep walking up to me. Stop walking up to me. Babe, go. Get her out of here right now. I love you, bub. Don't worry, I'm going to the cops. I got you. I got your license plate, mother... I am sorry that I scared you.
You didn't scare me, you scared me.
Okay. I'm sorry that I put you in that situation. Okay. Look at me. I will not stand there and watch a man put his hands on a woman. Okay. I'm sorry I put you in that position, Bug.
That's fine. I'm proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
Like, really pulling out a whole firearm, was that really necessary? Karen just wanted to see some of the action.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Typical woman shit.
Goedemorgen meneer. Alles goed? Kom dan eens hier zeggen. Kom dan hier zeggen.
100% deserved.
I happen to be sitting here at this red light out of diesel. Zero diesel. No diesel. On the way to the gas station right there to grab me some diesel. And these people think that when they honk at me that it's going to magically fill up my tank full of diesel. But they don't understand, do they?
Why don't you just get out and go buy a gas jug rather than holding up traffic and making a TikTok? Well, yeah, that's what you get for putting on Ricer mods.
You just had me run a light in front of the car.
I didn't tell you to.
You just said take it.
Then why you listen to me?
Yeah, if you knew there was a police, why did you listen to her? Well, if you have to go, you have to go. Don't blame him. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like this video, you'll comment and subscribe, and tell me which one was your favorite clip. You already know. NAC, out.